Hi everyone, my name is Austin Bingham, and welcome to my course, Core Python, Robust Resource and Error Handling. I'm a founder and principal consultant at 60 North. The dominant error handling strategy in Python is the use of exceptions, and exceptions are ubiquitous in the Python language, standard library, and package ecosystem. While a shallow understanding of exceptions can get you far in simple programs, larger systems often benefit greatly from more sophisticated exception handling strategies, especially when it comes to properly managing system resources in the presence of exceptions. In this course, we'll broaden your knowledge of how to work with exceptions in Python, and we'll introduce you to context managers, Python's facility for safely and automatically managing resources. Some of the major topics we'll cover include creating user-defined exceptions, exception chaining, the hierarchy of exceptions, exception payloads, tracebacks, and context managers and with statements. By the end of this course, you'll know how to chain associated exceptions together, define your own exceptions, and define and deploy context managers. Before beginning this course, students should be familiar with the essentials of the Python language, in particular, how to raise and catch exceptions. This course assumes knowledge of Python equivalent to what's presented in Core Python Getting Started. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about exceptions and resource handling in Python with the Core Python Robust Resource and Error Handling course at Pluralsight.